Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Virgil, and we're looking at his beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang. I know I say it a lot, but this thing is pretty sweet. He's had it for 4 or 5 years. It's a relative recent restoration. I bought it from a guy here locally. Got a rebuilt engine, rebuilt trans, new paint job, got air conditioning, automatic transmission. 67's got a great look to it. Some custom wheels. It's bright and sunny out today, so we're getting some shadows. You can see we're out in the mountains of Shasta County. It's a beautiful day today, and it's Mustang time. New exhaust, got a great sound to it. Let's take a closer look. It's actually got a beautiful upgraded interior. I think that says TMI. That's got to be some Highline stuff, because it definitely looks like a step up of what my upholsterer normally does. Sorry about the glare and the shadows there. We got some new gauges. The miles say 337. That's since the restoration. Ice cold air. Nice door panels. I took plenty of still pictures, about 100. Please check them out. Scuff mark right there. Looks like we got a Pioneer CD player. I was looking at some old CDs the other day. Actually wish I still had one. You know, the gauges look new, but this stuff looks pretty authentic to me. This car, according to the owner, was born with front disc brakes and air conditioning, but they got a brand new compressor, you know, bringing into some modern stuff. I see some speakers on the side, another one over there. Let's open up the passenger side. I see a little fitment issue right here. It's not perfect. It's not bad. It's just not perfect. Little dusty. Chrome's good. I saw a vid plate underneath the hood. I took a still picture of it. Here we got that TMI stuff, and like I said, that looks like that's a step up from what I normally see. You look at how beautiful these seats are. I don't think anyone's ever sat in the back. Virgil put the carpet kit in. That looks like some good stuff right there. Kind of authentic style. Got some nice mats. I've seen some painless wiring underneath the hood. I took a bunch of stills. I don't see any noticeable areas of rust or rust repair. Door closes good. Yeah, this side looks a little tighter than the driver's side. When you're dealing with Platt Motors, you're dealing with someone who is honest and transparent. And if you want to do more digging, feel free to give me a call anytime, 707-599-9448. If I don't have the answer to your question, I will get it answered. I crawled underneath, another one up here. So, you know, they listen, that's how we roll. We show you everything, and that way there's no surprises. Just sent one over to Michigan, the 68 Firebird, and we sent the 67 Ford Fairlane 500 XL to North Carolina. Both happy customers, and that's why we're in business. Family business goes back to 1931. Pops and I fired up in Anderson back in 2014, and we absolutely believe in honesty and transparency. Oh, I saw something over here. I see 2 holes. I don't know if they were trying to pull something out at one point, or if there was a badge there in the old days. I'm not sure. They don't totally line up. They're more at like a 45-degree angle, but a lot of good with this one, a lot of upside. I just want to show you any of the blemishes. So again, Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448. I talk, text, email, plattmotors@gmail.com. You can see my cars on Hemmings, ClassicCars.com, AutoTrader Classics, Classic.com, and my own website, plattmotors.com. I'm still working with the old man. He's 84, and got the family over there in tow. Everybody came out to see this beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang, a 289. Even though the engine's been rebuilt, we think it may be the one that it was born with. If you want me to start digging on numbers, if that's really your thing, you just let me know, and I'll take care of business for you. It's got a great look, turnkey, ready to roll. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 1967 Ford Mustang. Virgil said it's got to go. He's had some fun, but it's got to go. Rubber looks good. The wheels look flashy, and just the fitment on that driver's side door. Not horrible, but just not perfect. So that's how we roll. Appreciate you looking at my videos, and look forward to talking to you soon. This one's next. Platt Motors, Michael Platt, Anderson, California. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. I'm taking this one on consignment, and if you like these 67s like I do, you just give me a call. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.